There's a war in your mouth. Millions of microbes fighting for control, and most of us are losing. Meet Smile Kit Dental Probiotic. 16 billion CFU of targeted, oral-specific strains, not gut probiotics, formulated to colonize teeth, gums, and tongue, and tip the balance back in your favor. 12 clinically proven strains, each with a mission. Streptococcus salivarius K12 fights odor-causing bacteria. S. salivarius M18 targets Streptococcus mutans and breaks down plaque-forming dextran. Lactobacillus reuteri DSM 17938 and ATCC PTA 5289 reduce inflammation and periodontal pathogens. Lactobacillus paracasei suppresses harmful anaerobes and boosts oral immunity. Lactobacillus salivarius attacks volatile sulfur compounds for fresher breath. Lactobacillus acidophilus neutralizes acid to protect enamel. Lactobacillus rhamnosus strengthens mucosal barriers to prevent infections. Lactobacillus thermophilus survives oral temperatures to colonize effectively. Wild-type Streptococcus salivarius supports salivary antimicrobial activity. Bifidobacterium lactis HN019 moderates inflammation and speeds healing after dental work. Bifidobacterium bifidum promotes microbiome diversity to deter biofilm buildup. All delivered as mint-flavored, chewable tablets that adhere where they're needed. These strains are chosen for oral health and backed by clinical research. Users report fresher breath within days, noticeable plaque reduction in about 2 weeks, and improved gum vitality in a month. Studies show dramatic drops in odor-causing bacteria and measurable reductions in gingival bleeding and pathogenic load. Smile Kit gives lasting colonization without refrigeration. 16 billion CFU in tasty mint chewables, gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO, no sugars or fillers. Ready to change your mouth's microbiome and your breath? Visit smilekit.net.au to get your Smile Kit Dental Probiotic today. Your smile will thank you.